Hi friends, welcome back to Carlos M Kitchen. This time I'm making a very basic but delicious spaghetti with garlic and olive oil. You can make it with fresh garlic, but I am using roasted garlic this time. And you can find the recipe for the roasted garlic on my shorts. This one is a Roman recipe, and the first thing I do is add olive oil to the pan, then 2 stalks of parsley to balance the garlic. I am using 4 roasted garlic cloves total. I start with 2, but then you correct later. When I add the pasta to the boiling water, I start to warm up the pan. I start on low temperature, then I will raise the temperature to medium or medium high. While I do that, don't forget to join me on Patreon or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am making just 2 small portions of pasta. The roasted garlic is very fragrant. You must try it at least once. The pan is pretty warm right now, so I will mash the garlic cloves and allow them to flavor the oil. The idea is to make a creamy emulsion with the oil, the garlic, and the pasta water. I will remove the parsley stalks at the end because they don't look good when you plate your dish. Now I add the pasta water to the pan and raise the temperature to medium or medium high. Keep an eye on it until it is to your liking. When you're mixing, it looks watery, but remember that it will thicken once it cools down a little, and the pasta will absorb, the spaghetti is going to absorb a lot of the sauce. Keep stirring to integrate everything really well. That smells delicious. You just have no idea. It doesn't look like anything, but it's delicious. Add the al dente pasta and continue stirring. And the pasta is going to have a little bit of water too. At that point, you can also add a little more oil if you want a shinier finish to your spaghetti. That is up to you. That is optional and that is up to you. If you notice, I didn't add any salt when sauteing the garlic and parsley, and I didn't add any red pepper, but you can. I didn't add salt because the pasta water had salt already, and you just don't want to ruin your dish with too much salt. The starch in the pasta is going to give it a creamy texture. I added just plain like that. I didn't add any cheese, but you can add Romano cheese since it is a Roman recipe. And then I will add the salt to the pasta in case it needs it. You can eat it plain, or you can eat it with a chicken or beef Milanessa. I will leave the recipe for the beef Milanessa at the end of the video on the right. And I value your time. Thank you for watching my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Chaito.